Hey Olga, for you, for the first time now here in Mallorca, the shooting days, the workshop here in Mallorca together with me. What do you think of the shooting days? What did you think of them?
I thought the shooting days were great. It was a lot of fun. I wanted to get to know people. I have taken a lot with me, and yes, I can only recommend it.
Now you're an internationally booked model, you do it full time, and even say you've learned a lot. You've taken a lot with you. What were you able to take away for yourself here?
What was so new to me, and what I took away for myself, is that when you are so dynamic, you also have a more intense effect on the pictures, and they just seem a bit stronger, I think. And I find that really interesting.
Back to the photographers. Could you observe a development?
Absolutely. I could observe that, especially with Russ, because he didn't have that much experience.
And you could tell after 3 days how he developed. So the pictures were much cooler, and he was much more self-confident on the last day.
Mega, exactly, yes.
Yes. So there was a big difference. In any case, I'm very proud of him, and definitely also of Marcus. He was already a very experienced, good photographer. But you could also tell that he somehow tries to bring in more creativity. And I also always try different things. I also thought it was great.
I would like to thank you for your commitment here at the shooting days, and I also thought it was mega great that it harmonized so well between you and Laura. We laughed a lot, you can see that on the stories and the pictures. Really, really great. Thanks again for that, and we are now going to the last sunset shoot here in Mallorca. So, and a warm greeting home. Until then, take care. Ciao. Ciao.